Tired of pulling out wrinkled clothes just when you need them? Here are the 5 best portable clothes steamers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the High Life Steamer. The High Life Steamer for clothes, priced at $26.99, caught my attention was its powerful 700-watt capability and a decent 240-milliliter water tank, perfect for quick touch-ups. If you want a reliable steamer that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This steamer generates gentle, long-lasting steam and has a generous 9-foot power cord, so you won't be stuck close to the outlet while steaming. With a capacity for 15 minutes of continuous steam, it effectively tackles a variety of fabrics, from cotton to silk, making it a great choice for everyday use or travel. Plus, it's lightweight at just 1.7 pounds, making it super portable. Now, some people complained about its limited voltage compatibility, as it only works in 110 to 120 V regions. Here's the thing though, if you're traveling outside of those areas, it might not be the best option, but for US-based users, it's a solid choice for quick de-wrinkling. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that's easy to pack and use. Skip this one if you're frequently traveling internationally and need a steamer that can adapt to different voltages. At this price point, it's a great value for anyone needing a reliable handheld option. Now, if that voltage limitation on the High Life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Jack & Rose Travel Steamer, priced at $61.69. This caught my eye for its dual voltage feature, allowing it to be used globally. If you're a frequent traveler who needs a reliable steamer that works anywhere, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Jack & Rose steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and delivers powerful steam at up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 750 milliliter water tank, you're looking at about 10 minutes of continuous steam, which is impressive for a travel size model. It even has a combined steamer and dry iron feature, making it versatile for pressing and steaming in one go. Now, some customers mentioned that it's a bit bulkier compared to other travel steamers. Here's the thing though, while it's not the smallest option, the performance and dual voltage capability make it a worthy trade-off, especially for the ease of use in various countries. This is perfect for you if you travel often to different countries and need a steamer that adapts. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact. Considering the features, it offers good value for those who prioritize performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a quick steam without any fuss.
Product number 3, the OGOM Steamer. The OGOM Steamer for clothes, retailing at $23.71, it's lightweight and has an impressive 240 milliliter tank, catching my attention for its affordability. If you're looking for an economical choice that still packs a punch, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 700-watt power means it generates steam quickly, providing 15 minutes of steaming, which is ample time to tackle a few outfits. It's designed to handle various fabrics safely, including delicate materials, thanks to its gentle steam output. Plus, the 9-foot cord gives you the flexibility to maneuver while you steam. Now, some users pointed out that it can take a while to fully heat up compared to other models. But honestly, for the price, it's a minor trade-off, especially if you're not in a rush and can appreciate the value it offers. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want something effective and lightweight. Skip this one if you need something that heats up in seconds. Given its low price, you're definitely getting a good deal here. Now, if you want a steamer that heats up even faster, let's talk about the next one. Product number 4, the Niaso Travel Steamer. The Niaso Portable Travel Steamer, priced at $25.53. This one really stood out to me with its rapid heat-up time and LCD display. If you want a straightforward steamer that gets the job done quickly, this might just be the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Niaso steamer heats up in under 10 seconds and offers 3 adjustable steam levels, making it easy to tailor the steam output to different fabrics, from delicate lace to sturdy cotton. The 150 milliliter tank may seem small,
but it's designed to give you efficient steaming in a compact size. Plus, with a 180-degree rotating handle, you can comfortably reach tricky spots. Now, some reviews noted that the tank could be too small for larger steaming jobs, but the convenience and speed really make up for it if you're just doing a few items at a time. It's a great choice for quick touch-ups when you're on the go. This is perfect for you if you want something that heats up fast and is easy to use while traveling. Skip this one if you have a lot of clothes to steam in one go. For its features, the price is definitely justified. Finally, let's look at a high-powered option that really delivers on performance. Product number 5, Conair Turbo Extreme Steam, which is priced at $69.99. What caught my attention was its powerful 1875W capability, which is pretty impressive for a handheld model. If you want a steamer that can handle heavy-duty jobs, this is the one to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This steamer heats up in 40 seconds and has a water tank that allows for up to 20 minutes of continuous steam. The quilted aluminum plate not only helps with steam penetration, but also enables you to get that pressed look without the hassle of ironing. It even comes with attachments to help with different fabric types. Now, some users found it heavier than expected, which could be an issue if you're looking for something super light, but the performance really outweighs this minor drawback, especially for those needing something that can tackle heavier fabrics like upholstery and thick cotton. This is perfect for you if you often steam heavy fabrics or larger items. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-light and compact. It's a solid investment for those who prioritize steam power. As we wrap up the product reviews, let's compare all 5 options. To recap, the Highlife is your budget friend, the Jack & Rose is for global travelers, the OG Home offers great value, the Nyaso is quick and compact, and the Conair is for serious steaming needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam because of its unbeatable power and versatility.